Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 3rd Subject English.
Good morning, students. Welcome to 3rd Standard English class. Today we are going to see the topic Florence Nightingale. Florence Nightingale, written by Paul Perrault. Okay. Have you ever heard of Florence Nightingale? Have you ever heard of Florence Nightingale? Okay. Popularly known as the Lady with Lamp. Lady with the Lamp. She is founder of modern nursing. Okay. First I read the poem. Listen carefully. Okay. Long ago, there was a soldier fighting in a war. His name was Bert and he got hurt. His leg was very sore. They took him to the hospital and put him in a bed. They hoped he would get better, but he got much worse instead. It was a nasty, smelly place. Everything was dirty. The floors, the birds, the bandages were all injured pretty. Onto the bed jumped three big rats. They lodged at bed and said, "We will give you a nasty disease, and soon you will be dead." Poor bird was very scared indeed. The rats were right. He feared. He thought that he was going to die. But then a light appeared. Okay. Was meaning very bad. Nasty means unpleasant. Okay, students, listen. Summary in the poem. In the poem, soldiers were fighting in the war. Fighting in the war long ago. One of their name was Bert. By the time he got injured, his leg was sore. So that took him hospital. And admit in the bed. They believed he would much better. But he got very bad pathetic condition. It was unpleasant place. Everything was dirty. The floors, bed, bandages, and in between three big rats and jumped onto the bed. Okay. It was unpleasant place. Everything was dirty. The floors, the beds, bandages, and in between three big rats or jumped on the bed. They asked him, they said you affected disease, very important, and you will be dead, and you will be dead. Now the bird was very scratched. He thought they're going to die. But then a light was appeared. Okay, students. Next. Okay, students, see the next page. It was a lady with a lamp called Florence Nightingale. She took one look at the rats and picked them up by the tail. No rats allowed in here. She said, "On this I am quite determined. From now on this place will be kept clean, safe, and de-vermed." The rats saw that she meant business and ran far away in fear. The Florence smiled and Pretty said, "I am really glad you are here. She have given a nice clean bandages and ointment for the pain, and it was not too long before Pretty felt well again. Florence Nightingale was the best nurse there ever had been. But she did so much more than just keep on hospital clean. Okay, determine meaning to have a strong feeling. The rhymed meanings to get rid of all rats. Ointment meaning medicine for external wounds. Okay, listen. Summary of the poem. The lady with the lamb was called Florence Nightingale. She took rat, picked them the tail. Okay, students, listen. The lady with the lamb was called Florence Nightingale. She took one rat and picked them by the tail. By the tail. She determined here no rats allowed. No rats allowed. Here no rats allowed in here. After this place will be kept clean and safe and get it off all rats. Okay, here no rats allowed in here. After this place will be kept clean, safe and get it off all rats. Okay, students. Rat saw she did business and ran away. With fear, Florence smiled. Pretty said, now I am happy because you are here. Now I am happy because you are here. She gave him a bandages ointment for the pain. Now Pretty felt well again. More than keep one hospital clean, Florence Nightingale best nurse, she did clean. Florence Nightingale best nurse, she did clean. Okay, student. Remaining stanza, see the next class.